Assalamualaikum. Today we will share a presentation of business plan proposal for new property consultancy firm. Before we proceed, I would like to introduce our group members. Start with Muhammad Adib Hafizi bin Muhammad KHIRI, NURHANIS binti ROSLI, NASUHA binti Abdul Musim, NURHANIS binti HASLI, and one EZMIRA FARHANAH, and we are from AP2256B.
Assalamualaikum, my name is EZMIRA FARHANAH and I will start our presentation with a bit of introduction. A statutory authority called the Board of Valuers, appraisers, estate agent and property managers is in charge of policing the conduct of all members of the aforementioned professional list, valuers, appraisers, estate agent and property managers. Additionally, it serves as a base for company registration for associated services, which requires BOVIAP approval. Every professional registered individual is required by the board to have a physical office space that has been registered with and approved by the organization. The BOVIAP has established a number of requirements that must be accomplished in order to register a firm, pay fees and be subject to fines for misconduct. A property consultancy business with property valuation services as its primary service is suggested to be established. Property consultancy is a service that provides clients with guidance and serves as an aid for investment and decision making. Furthermore, it provides a variety of services in one place, including valuation, estate agency, property management, project management, land acquisition, investment, and many others. Each service described has significance in its own right, but valuation services outweigh all others. This service assists the client in determining if the decision made should be implemented or not. In addition, it is also significant since it may guide prospective purchasers about the genuine value of the asset as well as the suitable selling or purchase price based on market value. To comply with BOVIAP's guideline on the registration of physical office space, numerous processes have been performed and criteria considered in order to obtain suitable office space and provide good services of business. Among the consideration made are the company's objective, vision and mission, location of office space, area of office space, pricing, and many more. After going through various steps, an office space has been successfully obtained at the mentioned address.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Adib binti ROSLI and I will start with the precondition to form a property consultancy firm. A precondition means a condition that must be fulfilled before a company can be established. Referring to Board of Valuer, Appraiser, Estate Agent and Property Management, by virtue of Valuer, Appraiser, Estate Agent and Property Management Act, among the conditions to establish a property consultancy firm are, in Part 4 of the Act, any registered person wishing to practice must practice through a firm as according to Section 23 of the VAEPM Act. The firm can be a sole proprietorship, partnership or body corporate. Moreover, based on the Act, no registered valuer, appraiser, estate agent or property manager are allowed to perform or have the authority to claim any fee, commission and other types of payment for any professional service or advice provided by him pursuant to his practice as a sole proprietorship, partner in partnership, shareholder or director of body corporate registered with the board or as an employee of such firm. Thus, a sole proprietorship, partnership or body corporate need to apply registration to practice any valuation, appraiser, estate agent or property management to the board in form and manner along with the fee as prescribed by the board.
Okay, for the company overview, Publika & Co. is a consultancy firm which offers a wide range of property professional services that includes property valuation, real estate agency, property management, property market research, retail leasing and mortgage. Okay, so the firm will be registered under the Board of Valuers, Appraisers, Estate Agents and Property Managers Malaysia. At Publika & Co., we believe our strength lies in our service as the highest levels of customer service are provided by our team members who integrate an entrepreneurial mentality with a solid understanding and high quality skills of the real estate market. Our company vision is leading as a one-stop property consulting firm and providing entire solutions in the property industry, while for the company mission, it is to dedicate our expertise in providing the highest standard and honesty in all of our real estate services, leading to strong and long-term connections with all of our clients. Our objective is to fulfill our vision and mission. We will consistently deliver services that satisfy the requirements and expectations of our clients. Okay, next, our core service in Publika & Co. is a valuation for all types of properties. Our valuation services are in complying with the Malaysian valuation standards. are recognized by the board, local and international banks, and the Securities Commission of Malaysia. We will offer high-quality property valuation work for a wide range of assets, including residential, commercial, industrial, mixed-use, hotel and resort, agricultural land, and development land. With experienced and recognized specialists, we deliver valuation work for a wide range of valuation purposes, including sale and purchase, mortgage, foreclosure, tax and rating, compulsory land acquisition, and plant and machinery. Okay, so this is our business description details. Okay, in this part, I will only focus on essential details. Okay, firstly is company name. It is Publika and Co Property Consultants. Company registration number is 08308475A. Bovia registration number is V10077. Okay, for ownership, it is a partnership business consists of 5 partners. Okay, business address is 41-1 Jalan Tiara Sendayan Bis 1, Taman Tiara, 71900 Sendayan, Negeri Sembilan. Okay, business type is property consultant firm, and our specialties is sale and purchase, mortgages, foreclosure, tax and rating, compulsory land acquisition, and plant and machinery. Okay, next is agreement of partnership. Publika and Co is a company established on a partnership basis of 5 partners. Each of these partners contributed funds and capital in establishing this company. Therefore, the partnership agreement is prepared in June 2023. Okay, the partners involved are Surveyor NURHANIS binti ROSLI, Surveyor Muhammad Adib Hafizi bin MOKHSIN, Surveyor 1 EZMIRA FARHANAH binti KHAIRUL FUAD, Surveyor NASUHA binti MOKHSIN, and Surveyor NURHANIS binti HASLI.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURHANIS binti HASLI. So today I would like to explain about the registration procedure of our company. So first of all valuers, estate agents and property manager need to be registered with the Board of Valuers, Appraiser, Estate Agents and Property Management, which known as BOVIA. So basically, there are 3 types of company, which are sole proprietorship, partnership and sedia berhad. So the company or firm that need to be registered to the board as a partnership company because of our company name is Publika and Co. The next step is the registration of our company with SSM. So Companies Commission of Malaysia, a statutory organisation established by a parliamentary act and responsible for overseeing corporate entities and commercial matters in Malaysia. It must be consulted by every business that registered there. So locally, the Companies Commission of Malaysia is known as Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia, which is the Malay version of its name is SSM. After the registration with the SSM, they need to fill in the application form where it can be turned in person or through online via website at SSM. So the lodgement of incorporation documents for Malaysia company registration, it must be submitted to SSM within 3 months of the date that SSM approved the business name. In addition, there are some documents that need to lodge for Malaysia company registration, such as the Constitution, that formerly known as Memorandum and Article of Association, Form 48A, which is the statutory declaration by a director before the appointment, Form 6, the Declaration of Compliance, and any other additional documents. And lastly, within 30 days, the certification of business will be issued after the registrar have gathered all the information, received the prescribed fee and approved the registration. So after the certificate have been received, it need to be displayed at the business place.
Okay, next is operation plan. Okay, firstly is the chosen location of registered office. Publika and Co will be operated at the office space on the first floor of a shop lot located in New Business Centre in 41-1 Jalan Tiara Sendayan Bis 1, Taman Tiara, 71900 Sendayan, Negeri Sembilan. Okay, based on the market research, this chosen location is a very strategic location and very suitable for a real estate consulting firm to be established as it is facing the main road, which give an advantage in terms of attraction from people who use the main road. This shop lot also has an easy entrance from every intersection, which makes easy for people to access our location. In complying with the board and CCM, we refer to the guidelines for firm registration issued by the board that stated the location and address of the business to be registered is on commercial premises only, and every company must inform the CCM regarding the location of the registered office chosen to conduct business by submitting Form 44 within 14 days after the date of incorporation. Based on Companies Act 2016, it stated that a company must have registered office where it allows communications and notices to be addressed in order to run a business. That's all from me. Thank you.
For the operation of the firm, the intermediate lot on the first floor of this building is rented for 900 per month. According to the division of services given by this firm, there are few areas available for usage, excluding bathrooms. When stepping into the workplace, guests and staff will come across the reception area at the front of the building. Customers of this office have access to this reception area and to consult with the employee available at the reception to meet with any employees in the firm. Furthermore, office areas where employees have their own workspace will be segregated from the reception area to enhance employees' and clients' privacy. Office space will also be divided based on the services offered, such as office space for valuers, estate agents, and property managers. This distinct office space can make it easier for clients to meet with consultants. This company offers various amenities to its employees, such as toilet, prayer room, mini pantry, meeting room, and photocopier space. Improvement to existing areas will also be made from time to time. The cleaning tasks will be carried out in turn by the workers themselves with no external intervention. This firm's major purpose is to produce a comfortable workplace and make employees feel relaxed. Employee satisfaction and well-being is the primary pillar of delivering quality work. Moving to SWOT analysis to determine the potential growth of subject property and the business. Firstly, the subject property's current strength is its location facing the main road. This position not only provides simple access to the public but also allows the public to acknowledge and learn about the presence of this business firm. The space of the office block is also suited for the company activities that will be carried out, which is the property consultant firm. Next is opportunity. When conducting business in the region, this company can benefit from 3 opportunities, one of which being the subject property's placement in a developing area. The region surrounding this office space is being developed in accordance with the developer's concept of integrating self-sustaining township. Prospective buyers or investors interested in property in the surrounding area, whether commercial or residential, can take advantage of the services offered by this firm in terms of valuation services, estate agency services, or others. In addition, it will be a spot that provides employment to both locals and outsiders in the future. The firm will require personnel with the necessary skills, which indirectly creates opportunities for employment for those who are interested in joining. And in third place, this area of the office space has the potential to become a business center in the future, attracting well-known businesses to open branches such as Tea Life, Zeus Coffee, Bumblebee, and so on. If the area surrounding the office buildings grows, the business will have an opportunity to stand out and draw in more customers.
Human resource planning of Publika and Co. So, for office administration and staff recruitment. Firstly, office administration can be used to describe as the regular tasks carried out in an office. It might entail contacting client and team members by phone, email, and in person, keeping a well-organized filing and record system, organizing event and meeting, making schedule, keeping an eye on finance, scheduling appointment, and performing any other duties specific to the particular office. The management of the office employees is also one of the key responsibility of office administration. This task is usually done by office administrator or manager. The reason office administration is crucial to one company is that it assists in creating an organized and efficient workplace, helping in managing work and employee associated with the office. It acts as a troubleshooter, providing support and assistance to firm when unusual situations arise during the completion of an assigned task. So this is the amount of salary allocation, expense, and office equipment of Publika and Co. Next is staff recruitment. Our staff recruitment will be among registered valuer, estate agent, and property manager. It is because our company practicing a property consultancy firm covering all these 3 scopes of work. But our main survey will be focused on valuation. The qualification for all registered valuer, estate agent, and property manager for recruitment is that all of them must be registered under the board of valuer, appraiser, estate agent, and property manager, and have satisfied all the conditions prescribed by the board. Moving on, this is our company organisation chart, which consists of 5 main partner of Publika & Co. that is led by managing manager, a general manager, then head of department for property management, valuation and estate agency department. In addition, for our policy and procedure, Publika & Co. operation hour will be 5 days per week from Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. only. Next, our policy to conduct performance assessment among staff will be done yearly in mid-January. Productivity and quality are our 2 main criteria to access. And lastly, for remuneration and benefit of our company is that salary are comparable to those in the industry and overtime hour are sometimes required. And also a profit sharing incentive plan is planned for the future.
For my part, I will present about the marketing strategy to establish panel bank. Basically, the bank will evaluate the valuation company in order to identify the company objectives which will be a guidance for the bank to make a decision with whom they will collaborate. There are several of company objectives that will be highlighted in this slide. The company objective is good reputation and track record. A company seeking a panel valuer status must establish a good reputation and maintain a track record of successful appraisal. Positive client feedback, including from banks and other stakeholders, helps to develop trust and credibility. And a solid reputation and track record serve to establish trust in the bank, emphasizing the company's independability and professionalism as a panel valuer. The fourth company objective is compliance and risk management. Compliance and risk management are critical goals for a company aiming to become a panel valuer. The organization must demonstrate effective method to guarantee data security and confidentiality requirements are met. And by achieving this goal, the organization demonstrates its commitment to preserving customer data and reducing potential risks for the bank. We move to the consideration before selection of a panel bank. Understanding all factors to consider when selecting a panel bank for a valuation firm is critical for strategic alignment, risk mitigation, quality assurance, growth potential, effective relation management, and long-term viability. It ensures that the selected bank is aligned with the valuation company objective, reduce financial and compliance risks. First factor is financial stability. The valuation firm should conduct a true examination of the bank financial stability and strength. Analyzing the bank financial statement, credit rating from recognized agency, and overall financial performance are all part of this process. Second is bank presence and reach. The bank should assess the bank market presence and reach. This involves investigating the bank market share in the lending and real estate sector, geographical coverage, and the size and diversity of its customer base. A bank with a strong market presence and a broad reach can provide great prospect for the valuation business to assess a broader pool of possible client and project. Third is collaboration history. Evaluating the bank partnership history with other valuation firms provide information into its track record and reputation. And this involves evaluating the bank's track record of fair treatment, timely payment, and general satisfaction with prior collaborator. Positive testimonial and reference demonstrate a bank dependability and professionalism. And the last factor is relationship management. The bank approach to relationship management should be evaluated by the valuation firm. Open communication, responsiveness to questions or difficulties, and proactive support are the characteristics of effective relation management. That's all from me. Thank you. For this slide, I will present about the promotion strategy. Being a bank valuer panel provides the valuation firm with stability, credibility, expansion potential, and a strong client base. To secure a bank panel collaboration, a valuation firm can adopt several promotion strategies. But first is building relationship. This technique focuses focuses on networking and building relationship with important bank decision maker. The firm can meet and connect with the bank official by attending industry event, joining professional organization, and many more. Building relationship through face-to-face contact and keeping frequent communication can help the firm position itself as a dependable and trustworthy partner. Second is thought leadership content. The creation and distribution of thought leadership content such as article, blog posts, or research paper illustrate the firm experience and industry understanding. The firm might promote itself as a thought leader in the sector by providing relevant insight and addressing current valuation trend or difficulties. Banks looking for competent partners are more likely to consider working with a firm that demonstrates its expertise through high quality material. The last promotion strategy is digital marketing channel. Client testimonial and case studies show how the firm has collaborated successfully with other financial institutions, highlighting good client feedback and real-world instances of the firm competence and value offered can considerably boost the firm credibility. Banks are more willing to evaluate a company that has a track record of producing exceptional results.
So generally, every registered firm are required to purchase the professional indemnity insurance because this is important for every firm because it can be used to cover their business against any negligence. And there are many insurance companies that offer for professional indemnity insurance to the professional. As examples, Allianz, Etika, Teen Protect, and many more. So insurance for professional negligence is frequently offered in different limits. So when determining the amount of how much the professional indemnity insurance, there are a few circumstances that need to be considered. For example, size of business, size of client that need to be dealing with, and cost to defend themselves in court. So as for our company, the total professional indemnity insurance that we have taken from Allianz was about 1 million and need to pay for premium at 5,000 as we are from a new firm. So the professional indemnity insurance are important for our business or any company in order to cover themselves from any negligence. So that's all from me. Thank you.